Alrighty, everybody, we're live again. It's Crypto Live with your man Crypto Leprechaun here, leading up the highway, leading up the helm to bigger and better things. I hope this stream finds everyone doing well on the evening of August the 16th, 2022 at 9:19 p.m. Eastern Time. And we will give it just a few minutes for everyone to trickle in here as we always do, and I will always, or I will also check to double check to make sure that we are live, and we are. We are live and kicking. I was a little strapped for time, so I took the thumbnail I used this morning and kind of changed it around a little bit. So, hey, what's up, guys? KRS1. I think you sleep less than I do, possibly. What's up, Sleeper? Yo, yo, yo. What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good. Hopefully everybody's had a good day trading. I got about 3 hours sleep in between my morning session I did this morning and tonight. So I changed up my charts a little bit. I'm going with tonight I'm going with the 3 chart instead of the 4 chart. It's a little bit easier to see, and so we'll see we'll see how that works out. We'll just give it a try. See what happens. The SPY was up 84 cents today, which is interesting. And Bitcoin's doing its thing where it is struggling to stay over or over 24,000 yet again. And Ethereum, I don't think, has moved in 3 days. It's still 1890, 1889. Dogecoin's trying to hang on to its momentum. It's doing a fairly decent job. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's at least it's still holding at 0.085. It's a heck of a lot better than it has performed in the past. Usually, when it gets a good run like that in the past, it has come straight back down. So it's done pretty well. I was a little bit surprised to see Tesla close in the red. Tesla closed down $8.27. What's up, MPEG? You're the same way. I think you and KRS1, I think, sleep less than I do, possibly. AMC did have a good rally at the end. It's up 60 cents. GME's up $2.51. BBBY, actually, it had good after hours. It closed at 20.65, but I think it was up about $2 in after hours. That's what several of us this morning in the stream live were trading BBBY and rode that sucker all the way up. I FOMO'd in after seeing Square Foot just printing money left and right. I just couldn't handle it anymore. So I ended up getting in at 18.44, and it went all the way up to $28, and then it went back down to 26, 25, and proceeded to trade right in that area for several hours. I hadn't been to bed, so I finally took a nap and set a stop loss order, and while I was taking my nap, it came down and got me on my stop loss at, I had it set for 24.80, so I was still very proud, very happy, very pleased. I had like a $7.36 profit, so I was very pleased. It was a good play, and I appreciate Squarefoot. It's amazing. I'm a firm believer in everything happens for a reason. I laid down, I couldn't go to sleep, so I got up and streamed. And but if I would have fallen asleep, there's probably no way I would have gotten up, because it was just a couple hours. I streamed late or early into this morning. Yeah, this morning. I'm losing track of my days. And I only had 2 or 3 hours before I had to get up, and I was going to try to do opening bell, but I know that if I had fallen asleep, I don't know if I would have been able to get up after 2 hours of sleep. So everything happens for a reason, and then when I got on here, Squarefoot was pretty much damn near printing money, so Uh, me and actually MPEG, he FOMO'd in as well. And are you still holding MPEG or did you get out? I hit my stop loss at 24.80. That was fun. BBBY held 18 support. Nice moves after hours. I'm grabbing more in the AM for another push. I'm holding still. Oh, wow. Dang it, man. I got out at 24.80. So, not that I won't get back in, but I don't know. You think it's going to make another push? Another push? That'd be would that be the third one? Actually, I believe higher highs tomorrow. Probably. It would have hit it today if it didn't. If trading wasn't halted about 3 different times. At first time it halted, it was on its way to 40. I mean, it was just I'd never seen. I have, but it's been a while. But it was really pumping, and they halted trading. The second time they halted trading was on the down slope, and that actually probably saved me. Because then after that, it pumped again and got back up into the 24, 25, 26 range. It ain't done. Yeah, it closed at like $20 and some change, and then I noticed in after hours it was up a couple bucks. So that's good. That's real good. Anybody else out there have anything going on? Anybody in any trades or anything? Sorry, I'm just checking on a couple things I forgot to check on before I... Yep, it would have been 50 if it didn't halt. I believe so, the way it was going. It's been a long time since I've seen anything pump like it was pumping. I believe the same tomorrow, except higher, 40 to 45. They're going to drop like a rock when it starts to drop. TQQQ, trade played out nice. Got the after open morning dip, road to top. Sweet. See, I told you, M. Pepin, there's a lot of action in the morning. So, how's everybody doing? What's up, YouTube? Anybody out there that hasn't hit the like and the subscribe button? I would really appreciate it. And if you find fit, go ahead and ring a ding that bell so you know every time I go live. And you can get in on the action like we had this morning. Boy, we had some fun this morning. It was me and Squarefoot, KRS1, and MPEG. Then there were several people in and out on their way to work, etc., etc. But yeah, we had a really good time. Really enjoyed myself this morning. Noticed new people in this morning also. Yeah, yep. Trent Nicholas, who is this guy I know. He used to live in my hometown. He doesn't anymore. Him and was it Rise Above? He was in here for a bit. Yeah, some guys that can't make it in all the time or stop by to say hey. So I'm gonna start. As of now, I'm gonna start doing that every Tuesday and Thursday morning. So I'm gonna try to get to the point where I'm at least add one more morning to that, probably. May try to do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That would actually be perfect. Because Monday and Friday are sucky trading days. For the most part. Not always, obviously. You know what I mean. But for the short term, I'm going to do Tuesdays and Thursdays. It'd be nice if you can catch a power hour also. Yeah, like you mean towards the close? Whew, I gotta sleep sometime. Um, what's up, Peter? I've got BBBY came expiry 0902 strings 10 and Fubo. Wednesday, Thursday, better. Mondays, okay for buying. Fridays, always iffy. Yeah, I think Fridays suck. Yeah, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. I think I streamed till about 12:30 today, so I wouldn't always have to go that late. I think probably really like around 11 a.m. would probably be long enough. That's an hour and a half after opening bell. Then I could probably take a nap and then get up and do a power hour between for the last hour of the market possibly. I don't know. I'm not sure if I can do it all, and I'm not sure then if I can come online and stream for 7 hours a night. Then you know what I mean. So one of them may have to give, but I'll see. What I'll probably do is I'll probably try to do the most I can for as long as I can, and just see what's the most popular. I don't. I mean, they all might take off. Hell, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know why I have that on AMC. But yeah, I'll probably see what's the most popular and then go from there. Okay, there we go. There's BTC. 24,000. There, baby. Feel them out. Yeah, that's kind of what I was saying. I'm going to do is, for a while, I'm going to do Tuesday, Thursday morning, and then the nights. And then, of course, I'm still going to take off my Wednesdays and Sundays. I might come on Sunday afternoons, some. That's kind of hit and miss. I've had really good Sunday afternoons, and I've had really bad Sunday afternoons. However, with the weather changing and it's starting to get cold out, I think we'll fare pretty well for streaming. I'm pretty big into the poker world, and we always say that nice weather is terrible for poker. Too many things going on. Summertime is absolutely horrible for poker. You can almost tell when the weather changes. People come out of the woodwork to play cards. Well, you can't golf anymore. You can't do outside work. You can't mow. Um, you can't fish. You can't camp. You can't grill out. You can't do all that kind of stuff. And you know, crypto. I think crypto people are a lot like poker people, and the fact that I think a lot of the guys do a lot of that kind of stuff. Um, Power hour is like opening hour. Yeah, I know it's pretty popular. And then I will say that after 4 o'clock, maybe actually after about 4:30, it completely dies until about 8:30. So I could always take another nap between 4:30 and 8:30. I I'm 44, so I'm getting to the point where I like my naps anyways. But like for stocks, shit, 8:30 to 11:30, then 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Most important times. 11:30 to 2 p.m. lunch, slow time. Yeah, absolutely. Really, I think it's probably 11:30 till about, or maybe even 11, from about 11 to 3. It also depends on the day and how the market's going as well. You know, if you got a day where the market's just going parabolic, then things are a little different. Everything's green, everything's pumping, people are around. It's kind of crypto streaming, crypto. If everything's pumping, everybody's around. But if things are going flat or down, then it's like crickets. It's all you hear. Crickets, crickets, crickets. Parabolic like BBBY tomorrow. Yeah? Like halt time, baby. Yeah, that was something else when they halted that. I wasn't real happy because, like I said, it was building one of the most massive green candles I'd seen in a while. On a 1 minute. Crypto boring today. Yeah, not a whole lot going on really. It's kind of stagnant. Like I said, Bitcoin's been right at this mark, and Ethereum's been right at this mark. It is close to 1900 again, but they've been this way for like 3 days at least. Peter, pre-market can increase subs, super chats, etc. until 10 Eastern. Johnny Love is not streaming and has a very big crowd of decent people. You would be great, my friend. 8:30 Eastern to 10:30. Cheers. Yeah, that's good advice. I can probably do about 8:30. I drop my son off at school at 8, so I could be home and probably online by 8:30. So that's about right. Today was the second most intraday increase BBBY has ever had. Wow, second most? I'm kind of surprised it was second most. Can't believe it wasn't the most. Do you know what the volume ended up? It was, when I went to sleep, it was like 260 some million. Unfreaking believable, I know that. I never did look and see what the volume closed at. My guess was it was going to hit 400 million, but I don't know if it did or not. I guess I could look. I've got some AMC and it did pretty good today. I was very pleased with it. What am I looking for? Oh, BBBY. BBBY. It's almost a tongue twister, you know. The volume. What? Oh my gosh, I actually have some BBBY. It left 0.27 shares left. It's worth $6. I made $1 in aftermarket. Oh my gosh. Yeah, because you can't sell, for whatever reason, on the limit order, it would not let me sell fractional shares. So I was left with 0.27 shares. Okay, I was close. 395 million. I guess 400 million. It almost got there. Yeah, I've got some AMC. I'm just I don't know what's going to happen with it. I really think it's going to pump before Friday, which it is. So, I don't know. If it goes a lot higher, I don't know what I'll do. Nice Crypt, did you buy fractional shares? No, I guess I must have. Yeah, because I just put in a dollar amount. So, it just gave me, I guess, whatever that equaled out to in shares. I didn't do it on purpose, but apparently I did. So anyway, I'm still in the game. I got 0.27 shares. It's worth $6. That's freaking crazy. Yeah, dollar amount. Yeah, when I did that, I didn't even think about the fractional share thing until I went to put my stop limit in. Then I realized it, but I just remembered actually. Wouldn't that be funny if that thing took off? It went up $1.09 in after hours. My market value is worth $6.08. That's awesome. Nice. Write it up in the AM. I'm gonna grab more pre-market. 1819 support was holding. Damn, 395 million. Oh, it says it's got a warning. This stock has recently experienced elevated volatility. You think? Hello. Thanks for the heads up there, Robin Hood. As it goes up, gonna hit breakers again. It's primed to fly. Don't know what I'll do. DoorDash and Facebook Marketplace made a deal today. Did you see that? It's kind of interesting. Guess if you buy something on Marketplace, DoorDash will now deliver it to you. That's actually kind of good for the safety factor. You don't have to meet these weirdos in CVS parking lot. As it goes up, gonna hit. Oh, I already read that. Sorry, I'm still tired. Yeah, crypto market's flat right now. I'm currently not in any crypto at all. Well, I am my bags, but I'm not currently in any active trades. It's weird, but I actually got a lot going on in the stock market right now. I'm still in like 62 trades. Gee, mini Christmas. That's a lot of freaking trades. That's up there with the. That's almost like Tommy status. Actually, it's twice as much as Tommy. Tommy and Amber, they're in the 30s, I think. However, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of that spread out that quite that far. I think that if you could if you could consolidate some of those into a few less, I think you're going to end up getting a little bit more in the long run. It all depends on the dollar amount, though, too, that you're investing. What's up, Ape? Yo, yo! I used to trade like 4 to 5 of each. What's up, Mr. Ape? Cleaning, 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 cleaning. Cleaning that school. Used to trade 4 to 5 cryptos and 4 to 5 stocks. Oh goodness. Okay. Alright guys, we got 6 people watching and 3 likes. Anybody out there who has not hit that like and subscribe button yet, please feel very kindly to go over and start hitting them buttons. And ring a ding that bell if you feel suffice, so you know every time I go on live. So you know, like when I go on live, like I did this morning, and we had a blast trading Bed Bath and Beyond. 4 or 5 of us had a really good time. Probably because we made money, but Square Foot made a lot of money. That's probably where he's at right now, counting his money. But Bitcoin currently is like what the heck? Bitcoin right now is showing a lot of resistance right at that 24,000 mark. It has struggled to get over that 24,000. Just as Ethereum is struggling to get over this 1900 mark. Uh, you don't know. They both. I'm telling you that from the way the charts look, I think Bitcoin actually and Ethereum both look like they could possibly be trading sideways for a little while. Just by the way the RSI's look and the MACDs are kind of they're high, but they're flattening out. I just to me that's a sideways indicator. Yep. As I switched over to being a more full time trader, I'm finding I broadened my trades, longs, swings, and day trades. It allowed me to have at least a few coins or tickers to work on the daily. Yeah, I can see that. And then we got Dogecoin here at holding at 0.085, which is it's holding tight. That's what I'll say about that. The MACD on the Dogecoin is not looking very good, and that is on the 10-minute chart. It's got some pretty negative momentum going on. RSI is only at about 41, maybe 42. Um, so Doge, I think is gonna go. I think it could go sideways too for a while. Since the daily, about an hour and 45 minutes ago, nothing has really done much at all. Actually, on my watch list, Doge is the worst performing, down 2%. Come on, please hold. It's down to 8.0849, which is basically 0.085, but still. There we go. Back over. I don't mind. 0.085 is a solid number for Bitcoin. Or Doge. Um, but I tell you, it's going to be hard with Bitcoin just hanging out at 23.9 for 2 weeks. It's gonna have to get on its horse. Get on that horse and ride us away. Bitcoin and Ethereum are forming some red candles. Are coming down a little bit. Doge up over 10% though. Yeah, for the 24 hours, I'm sure it is. This is just from the daily candle. I actually have Doge pulled up on my ROX, and it's saying it's ROX is saying almost 9% last 24 hours. So you add in the 2% that it's lost today, just in the last hour. That's almost 12%. So you're right. Almost like an inverted Bart Simpson. On Doge? What time frame are you looking at? Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, almost. I think the right side, I don't think is tall enough, though. It's a very lopsided head. Maybe the daily looks different. One day. Okay, yeah. The daily does look a lot more like a Bart Simpson. Kinda. I don't know. Patterns are kind of like clouds to me in a way that you can almost take any chart and try to make some kind of a pattern out of something. Where kind of like you look in the sky and you look at a cloud, you can make almost any cloud look like something. So, I don't know. It depends on how much weight you want to play on it, how much weight you want to put on it, I guess. For me to see a pattern, I gotta have something that's pretty black and white. Otherwise, I think you're just kind of stretching. I've seen people call out W's and cup and handles before, and it's like the pretty skewed. Like the W was more of actually more of an Adam and Eve, if you know what that is, than it was a W. Because it had a really lazy left side to it, and then a pretty good V. So I saw the V, but the other half they were calling a part of the W was stretching it pretty far. I agree with patterns that you can make them look like something, but they really play out. Yeah, they do. If I think if you can get a good, solid, definite pattern. Okay, I'll give you a solid, definite pattern next time. All right, deal. What the hell? I thought I had my volume turned down. Apparently, I didn't. So what's up, YouTube? What do you guys got going on? I'm not. I know for sure. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna go on tonight. I'll be on here for a little bit, but it's definitely not gonna be a 7 or 8 hour stream tonight. I can tell you that. I am tired. And unfortunately, there's not much action. Action Jackson. And nobody's saying anything. Nobody wants to talk. What's up, Mikey K? What's going on? Look who's back. Some pretty big elections going on in Wyoming and Alaska tonight. Some midterm elections for, I believe, congressional seats, I think. if anybody's interested in that. I almost went to a poker tournament. Oh my goodness! Wow, what's the almost part? You didn't miss anything except for this morning. I streamed this morning, and about 4 or 5 of us traded BY, and we all did very well on it. Well, my God, how could you not? The way that thing was pumping, right, Impeg? Oh, he's safe by a mile. Waiting for long spots on ICP and OP to move. Good hit on BBBY. Yeah, thank you. I got in at 1844 or 1840 something, and got out. I finally passed out and went to sleep, and I luckily hit a stop loss or put a stop loss in, and it hit it while I was sleeping at 2480. So I was very pleased. Almost it was a $7 and what is that? $7.36 profit per share. I was okay with that. How many drinks so far? I've just had one Mountain Dew. No, I've not seen Tommy Tulier. Hope he's alright. Or Amber. She's actually the one probably that might have she's kind of had the medical issues. Doge to 9 cents. Oh yeah, 9.5. When? You think tonight? Man, I will tell you what. If we would have had a Doge tweet the other night when Doge was pumping the way it was pumping, it was pumping very similar to the way Bed Bath and Beyond trade pumped today, except for the fact that it wasn't for nearly as much money, but. Oh yeah, win OPP $2. Oh boy, am I being bit? Back in that consolidation area from May, so could be tomorrow or a week. Oh, that was 4.095. You know, when I read that, my brain told me 0.095. I didn't even notice it. That's how tired I am. Until you just pointed that out, to be honest.
What's up?
What's going on, Squarefoot?
Oh, nothing.
I fear you've been off counting your money.
I've been out trying to buy stuff so I can lose it.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Are you still in your Revlon?
Hell yeah, I got smacked on that.
I ended up buying into it, but I got into it at 8.
Oh, nice. That's not bad. I
Eight.
got into it way high.
I got an 840, I think. Yeah, I know. Well, you got it. You got into it a lot earlier than I did. KRS got into it right after you did.
Yeah, I got smacked down. I'm down like 20%.
Yeah, I know it's down pretty good.
I don't care.
I think it can still go back up though.
Wasn't enough to wash away my gains.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing.
So BBIG got freed up today. The Nasdaq resumed trading.
Oh, really?
Yep. I FOMO'd a little taste into that too. I've been wanting to
Nice.
get into it for a minute, and they had like some T12 halt going on apparently with uh, some going on within the company, whether it was like insider trading or something like that. But it's been halted for like 2 weeks.
Huh. Wow, I didn't even know it had been halted.
Yeah, it's been sitting at 71 cents for 2 weeks now. I know that I've been watching it, but as soon as the halt was over, it hit $1.40. So it went up 100% the second it got unhalted.
Wow. That would have been nice to know when it was going to get unhalted, huh?
Yeah, but I mean, you would never got an order in. I
No,
tried. I tried to have some in. I got in at like
that's true.
120. I mean, yeah, 120,
Yeah.
which is cool. I mean, I only bought 200 shares, so that's not gonna eat me up,
Right. Yeah.
Just to get a little something in. Maybe if it don't work, whatever. But Revlon, man, that shit fell hard, dude. When the spy, I don't know if you were awake or not, but the spy,
I
like,
was not. I was not. I don't think.
it was like trending up, and I don't know what price it was at, but I just pulled my phone out, and it just fell, like, and then everything. It was like they scared the shit out the market. Bed Bath Beyond fell from 25 to like 18 something,
Oh man.
and it's back up now to like 22.
Yeah, I saw it went back up a couple dollars after hours. M. Pepin's he's getting buying more in the morning. He said
Yeah, it's probably got room to go.
he wants to know if you're getting back in it.
Thinking about it, if the momentum's still there, I'm not. I mean, I'll trade it.
Yeah. Boy, it almost hit 400 million.
Fred, I hate to be the one to inform you, but your mic is fucked up.
What?
Is he trying to talk? Is he trying to talk?
I heard.
I,
Yeah.
I don't think I was.
Oh, I sound like like you were tuning a radio.
Uh, I have no idea what that was.
Uh,
I got sphere options today.
You did.
Yeah, $1 calls
well, that's cool.
for January 2023 for 22 cents share.
Nice.
Yeah, you think those will do okay?
Yeah,
Yeah, as long as it pumps, yeah,
I
no
think
doubt. Those will be right in first in line.
that's gonna
Yeah.
hit. I think it's gonna hit $1. I really do. I don't. If it doesn't hit $1, I will be very surprised.
The open interest was decent. I know. I don't know. I can't remember, like 2,100 or something like that. Open interest.
Hmm.
Well, if you remember last night we were talking about China.
Yeah.
So, you look.
M. Pepin says, "What's up, Fred?"
What's up,
I
Pepin?
still hear something in the background.
I do too. Is that your TV, Fred? Or
Let me hold on. Let me see here. It might be my TV. Let me.
Look at ticker BTCM.
I'm
This
gonna
is a
I'm gonna
The
have a
hell?
I'm gonna have a whole list of stocks that that Squarefoot says take a look at.
no. This one, this one's bad. You don't want none of this.
Oh, okay.
I'm just showing you, but it is around the same. It's like share. It was around the same share price as Sphere, but this is a Chinese
BT what?
Bitcoin BTCM.
Okay.
This is a Chinese
Okay.
Bitcoin mining company. Just look at that stock.
Is mine better? Is my mic better?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's good.
no doubt.
Okay, it must have been my TV, I guess.
Gee whiz, it took a big tumble there on the
Dude, he got slapped, man. I was like, oh
yesterday
my god. No, today. I
yeah,
thought,
today. Yeah, it is
yeah,
today. Yeah, it is today. I'm losing track of my days.
that's Hong Kong. That's where that's located.
I wonder why it went down so much.
Probably because they're freaking
Did they ban it again?
economy. I don't know. That's what I'm curious about. But like, and then if you look at a lot of the other,
Oh yeah, we were talking about that. I forgot about their economy. Yeah,
yeah,
that's probably a lot of it.
like we look at a lot of these other ones. Like it's weird because Cipher mining was up 6.8%. Sphere is at 0%, and BTCS is at 4.7. But every other crypto mining company fell. Stronghold Digital fell 18%.
Hmm.
So it's just kind of odd. I did. I bought 434 shares of Ethereum. That's my
Ethereum.
biggest spot position now.
Is that ATER?
Yeah,
Yeah, you were telling me about that. That might have been. I think it this morning. Either last night or this morning.
What does that company do?
I don't care. No, I'm just. It, they're consumer products like home stuff and whatnot, home
God,
appliances, kitchen appliances. But that thing's been to $48 last year.
Jeez.
Yeah, it's at 330. So
Yeah.
if it does a little, I'm just trying to play some of these out because some of these have already come up a pretty good bit, and I'm really catching them. Definitely call Bed Bath & Beyond late as hell because I was just too scared to get into it at first.
Yeah. Me too.
But like Ethereum, man, I watched that thing go last year. I never got in it. I was like, fuck. It like it would never quit.
Yeah.
Just like Bed Bath & Beyond is doing. And I was like, well, I mean, I'm not gonna lose a terrible amount if I get in, and it's only up. Well, I mean, it's up 28% for the month, so it's up 73 cents. So we'll see, you know, within the week, hopefully. I'm just playing, just pulling the slots around here.
Yep. That's about all you can do right now.
check out like Teledoc or Lemonade. Teledoc is
Lemonade.
what it was, and I think that's the wave of the future for medicine, for doctoring, for like general practitioner stuff.
Ooh, believe it or not, Fred,
What?
I don't touch anything that involves healthcare or
Really?
medicine. Yeah, I won't touch it. Never have.
Gotcha.
Like, I don't know why, but healthcare shit's just too much for me. Believe it or not, I can't. It's so unpredictable to me. You know, because with healthcare, people want to buy in, and dude, they get some of the biggest pumps out of any stocks. You know, if it
Right.
comes to medicine and healthcare, but the second some bullshit comes in the way, they just yank it. They pull the plug. You know, and I'm
Yeah.
just like, it's fucking insane. I just don't have the knowledge to trade healthcare for me. I like trading stuff that dumbasses are buying, like myself.
No, I got you because there's too much too much variation in like all it takes is one big lawsuit on a healthcare company
Right.
and a bank.
It's over.
Yeah. I'll be right back. I gotta.
All right.
Yeah. MPEG says healthcare stocks suck except for one. UNH is one of my favorite stocks to trade. Too many small healthcare companies cash burn. Agree.
Yeah. Did we just agree on something?
I think so. I think
I bet.
MPEG's kind of coming around a little bit.
Either that or we're starting to get on the same wavelength here.
Yeah, it could be. Starting to
Turns out we were right all along.
That's scary. I bet KRS is either listening to us or in bed. One of the two. Or maybe both.
Or both.
Because if he slept last night, he didn't sleep much. Because he was on here till late last night, too. And then was back on when I was on at... What time was I on? About 8 this morning? 8:30?
Yeah.
So if he slept, he didn't sleep much.
Man, those morning trades have been good the last couple times, or 3 times.
Yeah.
I mean, the market has been going up, so, I mean, we can't take, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, we
So,
are. Can't take full credit, but...
yeah, I can't say I'm skilled because the whole damn market was moving up. I thought the
yeah,
ones that were moving a little faster.
I got lucky. Me and KRS got lucky in the sense that we got into to Bed Bath and Beyond kind of high, and it just kept on going.
Yeah, but that was like the true breakout buy, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
And dude, that's my fucking that's my favorite way. For some reason it feels so good to get in something and get out of something like that
Uh huh.
in a short amount of time. As good as it would be to have bought one time. Was talking about it because you'd be up 300%,
That's all right.
um, but still, man, God, this shit feels good.
Heck yeah.
I'm down probably from the high
Uh
today
huh.
from Bed Bath and Beyond. I'm down probably $700 from that high. And I'm still up 20.
Oh, right after you left, KRS-One posted this chart. And I don't know if you saw it or not on general chat about the short squeeze leaderboard and
Uh,
and whatchamacallit's number one on it. You have to
Bed Bath and Beyond.
no,
What?
Revlon. It's
Oh, for the top?
it's number one on. You have to check it out when you get a chance. It's on general chat.
Huh.
He and I were trying to figure out what some of this shit meant, and we couldn't figure it exactly out.
Dude, that shit was at $1.30.
You
Revlon.
you might know what some of this means, but yeah, Revlon's number one for the chance. It's got the best chance to short squeeze.
I just don't. I quit clicking on all this stuff in there unless I hear from you.
Yeah, no, he did. He told me he posted it, and it only gives you the top 10, which is we were both kind of like that's kind of weird, but you have to pay for the full list. But I don't know why they give you the top 10. I would think they would give you like the bottom 10, not the top 10, if they're trying to get you to buy it.
This is probably the top 10 of the bottom 20.
Yeah, yeah, right. Either that, or maybe they're trying to think, well, give them the best plays we got, and they'll work. If they work out, then they're gonna want more.
When was this updated last, you think?
Mm, oh, it says June 8th. We haven't.
No, that's that. Yeah, that's not the.
Oh no.
Don't look like the day it was posted. But I do know that. Let's see. Pets holding. So Revlon is 36% short.
Can you make heads or tails out of any of that?
Yeah, basically. So there's the free float, which is the sale or the. Uh, I hope I get it right. Impact could probably correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Um, so you have like the float, then you have the free float, which are the shares available to borrow.
Uh-huh.
And so basically, basically of all the shares available, 36% of those are sold short.
Hmm.
So basically, there's people are betting on over, a third of the total share count that it's going to go down, which means the higher that is, and the faster it pushes up, means and that also drives up cost to borrow, which means that they have to either buy more shares or cover their positions. Because then you have delta. All this shit starts going up and all that. They
And,
start losing money at a rapid rate.
and that's what creates the short squeeze.
Yep,
Gotcha.
yep, it's amazing.
Huh. But yeah, I thought that was interesting that you had just gotten into Revlon too.
Yeah,
And
I hadn't really known about it
he's
a
like,
long time.
dude, check this chart out I just found. He's like, you won't believe what number one is. Did you say it's they were talking about it on Reddit?
Yeah, it's not like BBIG or nothing, but it's one of them for sure.
Yeah.
But I don't ever look at Reddit though. That's just something I stumbled upon. Honestly, like I didn't know Revlon was what it actually like. It was a meme type stock, really, as much as it is.
Yeah.
I just noticed the chart.
I didn't realize they filed bankruptcy. Not
I
really.
know. And then right after that, they got bailed out. And then Morgan Stanley goes in with a huge position.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's because dude, it was at $1.30. My dumbass just bought it 10.20. It's at like $8.
Damn.
I mean,
What?
I'm cool.
How high has it gone though?
I want to say in the upper 20s.
Okay, yeah. See, so it could run.
Yeah, I mean, it has. There's a lot of people talking about it. A lot of the typical short squeeze guys on YouTube and stuff.
Uh huh.
But that was like they were talking about it a few weeks ago.
Uh huh.
I mean, it's up. Shit, I don't know, 80% or something in total.
Yeah, it had a. I don't. I didn't go back and look, but it had a. I think the way they talk, they had a pretty good pump a couple days ago.
Hmm. Which I don't really care. I mean, if the market's going up, I should see it again. If not, I'll just cut that loss.
Yeah.
No biggie. That's why I bought it with the profit. I was like, I'm about with this. In worst case, I'll lose 20%.
Exactly.
And I still got all the rest of my money divvied up.
Yep. 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 That's a great way to do it. And Pevin
Man,
thinks Bed Bath and
but
Beyond's gonna go to 45 tomorrow.
dude, this is possible, man. But I'm just like, the more it does this, you know, I mean, I'm not saying that it can't, no doubt. But
Uh,
if we get some fucked up shit starting in the market tomorrow, or like at the SPY, or we get some, because like the higher we go, we should start looking for some little either 10% pullback or something in the Qs, or the SPY, like a good week or 2 week. I mean, I know that we technically have till what, first week in September, hopefully,
yeah.
but it could happen at any time. So that's what's just got me cautious about it.
Yeah.
Just like today, man, the SPY fell $2 and the whole fucking market collapsed. I was like, oh my god,
That's crazy.
what is happening?
Huh.
Oh man, all the meme stuff. I mean,
I'm glad.
Ford fell like a motherfucker. It was crazy.
Oh wow. I'm glad I slept through that. I didn't.
The
Well,
market closed up, didn't it?
pretty good,
Yeah,
I think.
Couple hundred points.
Yeah, I think so.
yeah. So it's moving. I mean, the fact that a lot of these stocks are starting to squeeze out. I mean, I know you have Reddit with BBBY, but at the same time, I'm seeing a lot of stocks squeeze out up, 100%, 200%. So is that a sign that they're like time to get out, or are they trying to reposition? Are they gonna? Can we go up till? Are they going to reposition the week of the Fed meeting, or what the hell are they doing?
Right. Yeah, I know.
Why are all these stocks squeezing? That's what I want to know. I get Bed Bath and Beyond because Reddit's shoving it in everybody's face, but all these other ones, I want to know what the hell's going on. And at the same time, everybody's still talking about the market being bearish. And, I'm like, then why are all these stocks pushing 200%? That's what I want to know.
Yeah. Impact says the futures market's flat. That's good. News. Rep. Liz Cheney loses top primary to Trump-backed challenger. I saw that.
Watching that right now.
Goodbye, Liz. Bye-bye.
Yeah, don't let the door hit you on your way out.
Dude. So BBIG is supposed to be coming out with a TikTok rival. They have all the licensing for all the stuff, just like TikTok.
Really?
Yeah.
Who's
BBIG. Dude, that shit's fun to trade too. Whenever it starts going, I'm hoping that everybody picks this shit back up, along with the news that everything's cool in court.
Are they a software company or something?
They're kind of like a business that owns a lot of businesses,
A Berkshire Hathaway.
kind of. But this one's only $1.
Gotcha. Not standard. Actually, what, 200,000 for a Class A share?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
But yeah, Venco Ventures, man, I made sweet lick on this shit last year. I also got wrecked on it.
Hmm.
They're the ones. You remember the Cryptide that I was trying to buy last week?
Yeah?
That's a Venco Ventures business too. The Bitcoin mining.
M. Pebin says Tesla pulled back a little. Yeah, I saw that. But really not that bad. Going to the split is going to happen. That's bullish. After the split, may dip a little next few days up to split next week, but could pop higher at any time.
What is the split again?
3 for 1 on the 24th.
It's at what price?
It's at 9. It went down like $9 today. It's trading at
900.
9.19.
Man, still, even with a 3-to-1, fucking $300 a share.
Yeah, Crypto Peter said BBIG pumped today. Yeah, they opened back up, I think.
Yep.
Why'd they halt it?
The T12 halt apparently was some foul play in the company somewhere. I didn't really get the exacts on it. It was either insider trading or some sort of market manipulation of some sort. But apparently it wasn't them that did it or something. Because they probably wouldn't allow them to come back trading so fast. I don't know. Let's look it up. Might as well look it up. I'm just, you know, I basically, most of the stocks that I'm watching right now are ones that I traded before, and I'm just paying attention to the chart.
Yeah.
I'm just watching because I know what they look like from last year, and I'm hoping that I can catch the same trend. Let's see.
Of all nights, our Google guy's not here.
Yeah.
KRS. Tesla has some nice intraday and daily moves. It does, sure does. Yeah, because it was up like, what, $30 or $40 earlier today. Came out of the gate swinging.
What are you talking about?
Tesla.
Oh, yeah.
You can make nice money in a half day or lose your shirt during a bathroom break. Yeah. But you got to put a lot of money into it to make it. But yeah. Oh. Everything's going down just a little bit. Not a massive amount, but enough to take notice.
I'm encouraged by the volume increase by the high volume of Doge, and it's holding steady.
Yeah, it's very good.
I don't think it'll take much for the people that got complacent with Doge to come back around.
Oh no, they start seeing it pump again, they're gonna get the itch back.
Yeah.
They'll get right back in there. Doge is trading side by side with Shiba again. And Pegan
With
says,
people,
yeah, Shiba, yeah. Yes, it is. It's actually trading a little bit better than Shiba, but
yeah.
They like to swap places.
yeah. One likes to pitch, and then the other one likes to catch, and then they switch.
So I decided my what I thought was a torn apart squirrel was really a torn apart rabbit
Really?
last night. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. Because then I had a pile of flesh on my front step or right outside my front door too.
Jimmy Christmas.
Yeah, that's what made me realize it probably was too much for a squirrel.
She devoured that thing.
She did not though. She just tore it apart and left it in piles
Oh.
everywhere.
Oh.
I don't know why she didn't, but
It's like a zoo at your house, Fred
yeah, tell me about it.
and Pepin.
Yeah. You don't even know, Pepin.
They say BBIG is Venco Ventures Inc. is reporting a growth rate of 42,455%. Guess that's what they plan on doing there.
Sheesh. And Pepin wants to play I Spy at Fred's house. Please, Fred, take some pics.
Yeah.
Fred, yeah, you ought to just take like distant pictures, and you're just like you're in random places, like sitting on this mower or sitting in that car,
Right?
or just like standing in the weeds. It's like, where's Fred?
Yeah. Instead of where's Waldo, where's 2 foot Fred?
Yeah, that should be great.
Oh yeah. I've thought about
It's just like I can't ever find him. You're like, I'm holding the camera, dumbass.
it.
Yeah, he's coming back a little bit now. Did you hear it's on this morning, Shorty?
No,
Man, we had a hell of a time this morning.
really. What about over what?
We were trading BBBY.
Gotcha.
Got in on that pump. Thanks to Square Foot.
Right.
Me and
Everybody got the
KRS.
tits check.
He was printing money, and me and KRS were just kind of sitting back watching. And finally, we both FOMO'd in and didn't say a word until I think finally I said,
Y'all were already up.
I'm in, guys."
Y'all were both up like 15% before y'all even said y'all were in.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't want to admit it until because I bought kind of high.
uh,
Question. It sounds like you and KRS One were still on from last night.
Well, I tried to lay down for a couple hours. I couldn't sleep, so I got up and streamed. Thank God. Like I said, I'm a firm believer everything happens for a reason. And I don't know. Like I said, KRS, if he slept, he couldn't have slept very long.
Right. That's probably what he's doing right now.
That's what I said. He's either listening to us or in bed or both.
Yeah.
y'all ever watch Financial Education? It's that dude named Jeremy something.
No.
He's a pretty good dude. He was in there with. He's one of the ones I like to watch. I don't really buy a whole lot of the stuff he does, but he has a lot of really good intake on the market.
That sounds familiar though, Jeremy.
Yeah, he's been doing it for a while. But
Okay.
he said that Michael Burry. I can't remember the dollar amount. I wanted to say it was $6 million or something. Or no. Yeah, it was 6 million. He has like a $6 million short position on Apple. He took out in June, and Apple's up 26% since then.
Ouch.
He goes. He was talking about. He goes. Michael Burry sucks or something like that. They're like, this man wasn't even. He's not even a stock trader because he was just trying to come across as telling people like, quit worrying about what the hell Michael Burry has to say because he never was a stock trader. He looked at he saw the housing market collapsing. So he went short because he could, not necessarily because he was a trader. He called the housing market because that's like what he did.
Yeah.
Right.
And so just because he called one of the greatest collapses in history, he goes down. I mean, I know, right? But that's the only thing he's really ever done.
Wow.
And people, that was '08. We're looking at 2022, and people are still like, Michael Burry goes, bearish on this, and it's like, who fucking gives a shit?
Yeah, MPEG says dude was like telling everyone the market's gonna crash. Yeah.
And it's gone up ever since.
Yeah.
Funny.
Some people just have too much money, you know what?
Kind
He
of like
does.
kind of like the wide receiver that catches the winning uh Super Bowl touchdown and never did much before that. Never did a damn thing after.
Right.
Yeah.
But he has that under his belt. That's it.
Or
Making bank.
or a pitcher that's 1-18 but throws a no hitter.
Right.
And then we'll spend the rest of his career banking off that.
Yeah.
Man, I hope Tyrion squeezes. Oh, I should dig into it a little bit more. I'm just going to play the chart.
Things are starting to pump again. Pretty good.
They are.
Pretty nicely.
I really need to just fucking buy Vortex. God.
Decisions.
I just hate paying for it because it's like I don't use it. I mean, this kind of shit doesn't really happen all the time, So, I guess I could quit paying for it because it's $80 a month. It's not. I mean, not that, as long as you're making, a shit ton of money, who cares? But fuck, I don't know.
Well, what kind of indicator is it?
It's where you can look at short interest. companies. Like that list that you saw.
Yeah.
So basically, you can just type in any single stock that you want, and you can pull up all the information you want of all the options, like short interest, call options, how many you purchase, failure to delivers, like how many options didn't get fulfilled when wanted to, like you know what I mean. Say you exercise a call,
Right.
it's going to show how many, like out of how many calls were exercised, how many people actually got their shares on time,
Uh,
shit like that.
Impediment says you can get short interest free.
Yeah, but you can't get it like on Vortex. I wouldn't depend on anything free for me. I mean, I hear
Yeah.
you,
Yeah. It'd be hard.
but I want to. Vortex is like the shit, so I'm not trying to. I mean, that's just. I know Ortex because of when I first started, like when I wanted to do AMC, that of course that's what Mac Cores and all them used, and now that's what all the. I mean, they still all use it,
Uh-huh.
and that's I know how to read their platform, and their stuff's like the first update over it because all that short interest and stuff is like 7 days or something behind, even though you're paying for it. You don't get that type of information every day. I don't think.
No.
And so if you're getting it for free, you're probably looking at a month behind.
True. Yeah. And that's not going to
So
help you a bit.
no,
It's actually going to work against you, probably.
yeah.
Too bad
But
we
I will
couldn't.
say that
I was going to say, too bad
oh
we couldn't set up some kind of like a fun thing in like Discord or something for people to contribute to
man, I mean,
or something.
I think you can actually get it for free. If hell, you ought to try. I think you can get it for free if you've never put in an email. I think I've already put in all my emails, and you can get like a free month.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Is it
it,
Ortex
O
or
R
yeah,
or O
Ortex?
yeah ORTEX.
Okay, I'll check that out after I get off here and see.
But so the cost to borrow right now is as high in the options chain is as high as it was um, during the GameStop squeeze, and that's how high the cost to borrow right is are now with Bed Bath and Beyond. So usually when you get this high of borrow fees right now or the cost to borrow, you're going to see some crazy shit starting to happen.
Uh huh.
So that's why I mean I definitely agree with him, Pep, and that this sucker can keep going.
Yeah. He says
It's,
he
it's
gets
just
he says he gets daily short interest free, Nasdaq short interest free live, and a bunch more. I don't know. That's just what he's saying.
I mean I hear you. I don't think pretty sure it's not the same.
He says it's accurate. I don't know that any difference. I don't know.
Let's see what you're talking about. Where did he say go?
It was Nasdaq short interest free live. Is that what you type in, Pevin? Or I don't know. That's just what he said. I don't know if that's what. Nasdaq short interest free live. I'm guessing that's what you go to. Damn, Ethereum and Bitcoin took off to the hills.
Yeah, so that only updates every 2 weeks, and all it shows is it just shows the short interest every 2 weeks, and it shows the days to cover. So, I mean, that is useful, but with Ortex, you get to see the cost to borrow, shares on loan, the short interest, the failure to delivers. It gives you a lot more.
What's up, Steve Garrett? What's going on, brother? Where y'all think BTC and ETH are going? Well, currently they're going up, but short term, I think that they could go. I think they're going to continue going sideways for a little while, unless we. I don't know.
Once we
It just looks to me like the charts just look like they're just wanting to go sideways. So in the near term, in the short term, I would not really expect a whole lot out of either one of them. Even when they've been pumping, they've been consolidating, pulling back, or if they dip, they go back up. Just no real sense of direction. I mean, they've been trading. Both of them have been trading right where they're at for the last at least 3 days.
When does when do people get their ape shares?
Monday morning.
Ooh. And it gets listed on the NASDAQ and everything that day?
Monday
I
morning.
mean,
Yep.
really?
Well, they come. I'm not sure how it works. It comes out after close on Friday, but it says that the ape. I keep saying coin. The ape shares won't actually hit your exchange until Monday morning.
Okay.
So I don't know what's going to happen with that. MPEP says possibly tomorrow or this daily candle, BTC gets back over 25K. I could definitely see it getting. I really would hope it gets. I really hope it gets to 25K. I think 25K is a huge morale number, as well as 2,000 is for Ethereum. I think those huge numbers to hit if we
That'd
get
be
there.
great, especially for Sphere.
I know.
But I keep looking at it, but hey, man, I haven't lost $1. I'm up like $160. So I'm just like, all right, it's slowly going up,
Yeah,
I guess.
yeah. It's. I mean, it's except for today, but it
I
wasn't.
just don't want no bullshit to come out, man. Damn.
I know.
Because I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I've been looking at it. I'm like, should I buy more?
Hmm. I definitely think it's gonna hit $1. I really do.
I'll be so pissed if it don't hit $1.
I know. That makes two
I'll
of
be
us.
so fucking mad. I'm like, you mean they have to tell me I held this shit? But I mean, it'll still be a good, profit. But just, I'm looking for like 10, $15 in a few months. So Bitcoin has to go.
The only good thing is Spear doesn't have very far to go to get to the dollar. So
No doubt.
that's one good sign.
It's like what, 15 cents or something?
17.
17 cents. Yeah.
Well, 16 and a half to be exact.
It hit an intraday high though of 89 today.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we saw it.
Well,
And then it just stayed there for a while.
I'll be back.
Yeah.
Yep.
What's up, YouTube? You guys got anything going on? If you guys haven't yet, anybody out there stopping by and saying hi or whatnot, if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, as every button helps YouTube to know that people are actually watching me. And if you find fit, ring ding that bell so you know every time I go live. Well, ETH is at Mikey K. ETH is at 1900 now. It's trying to get back up there. I don't know where Tommy and Amber are. They haven't been in for a couple days. Hope they're all right.
I know.
I saw Tommy last night. He was on Facebook, but that didn't mean anything. Because your phone could leave you logged in.
Right.
Right, it needs to break 2K and we go to the moon. I think 2K is a very crucial number. But here we are again, back down under 2K and under 24K.
I'm gonna say the other day and it came back down.
It's been doing this for like 3 or 4 days. You could probably make some money scalping the damn thing.
Yeah.
I mean, it literally goes to 23.9 to 24 ish, back down to 23.9, 24.
Yeah.
Had my chat turned off, no wonder. Doge to 9 cents. That would be. It damn near hit it last night, or what night was that? This morning. Early this morning.
Yeah, 8964.
Kucoin locked up for 3.5 hours.
It did?
Yeah, Tame was flipping the fuck out because he was up like 189% in Doge, and
Yeah.
he was in Kucoin. It was only supposed to be an hour maintenance period, and they
Right.
ended up they kept pushing it back an hour, kept pushing it back an hour, and he was like, "There's no way this is gonna hold up. There's no way this is gonna hold up." He was freaking out. He was checking the maintenance board every 5 minutes. He thought for sure he was gonna get screwed on that deal.
Did
But
it? Did it? I,
it opened back up, and he took some off the top. Is the last I knew.
yeah. Huh.
Doge 0.095 this daily candle, in my opinion. Let's do it. I ain't against that.
The
What type?
volume.
Huh?
The volume's there for Doge to do that. Got good volume.
It's good. It's very important.
I think Bitcoin's gonna go to 22.5.
In what time frame?
Um, I mean, oh, in what time frame? I don't know. Within the next week. I just don't see it spiking out like we all want it to without it going back down.
Right.
Which I mean, it's hit its trend line. It's fallen its, support line. But I don't know, man. It always does that. It always wants to go back down and check something. I mean, yeah, all it's been doing is, it's checking the midsections of most of these run ups. I mean, if we had a hard fall, you're looking at like 21,000. But
Um,
we can still see 28 before then. But I just think, you know, lower 23s or upper 22s would be nice to see before we make a bigger move.
MPEG, what are you talking about? What ticker? Did you not? I don't think you knew what you were talking about. I guess.
He's like, oh, it's a stock. It's going up. Stocks only go up.
It's gonna be interesting to see what the market does tomorrow, as in stock market. I'm a loser. I caught up. LOL. I figured you missed part of the conversation.
We might start to see. I mean, it is possible, like especially if we get another green day or even a semi-green day, that we'll start to see some of these bearish ass people come around and like if they start buying, you know,
Mm-hmm.
I
Oh
mean,
yeah.
like we are above that 100-day moving average on the weekly, so hey, when in Rome,
Hmm.
YOLO.
When in Rome, yellow.
I'm trying not to be too bearish. I'm trying not to be too bullish.
Yeah, there's a nice fine line right there.
At least till the next Fed meeting for sure.
Yeah.
We keep going up after that, and then I'm gonna be like, perfect.
Yeah.
I'll start really buying some I don't know, man. So I was thinking about. Have you ever looked at Lucid?
Not for a long time.
You should look at that chart.
Is it LUCID?
Yeah,
Oh, Lucid or Lucent?
Lucid,
Oh,
Lucid Automotive. They're like Tesla's biggest competitor as far as electric luxury. I bought that shit at $6 last year and sold it at like I don't know 15, and it ripped after that.
It's at 1893 now. Is that the right one?
Yeah, that's it. See
Mikey,
how sideways it is?
Mikey K said I saw a Lucid here in Vegas.
Nice. They're sweet, dude.
It is sideways. After a dip, though, it did take a pretty good dip
Yeah, but
earlier today, but
news is starting to pick up on their cars, so I'm wondering
it did actually pump pretty good until then.
if that would be a good. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like before that, I mean, what did it go to up to in the 40s?
It looks like it. Well, short term 1916.
I mean, like within the last year.
Yeah. 52. The 52-week range is 57.
Okay, yeah. So I don't know. I was looking at that and wondering, you know, because I did. Their cars are fucking sweet.
Mikey K says so expensive. Lucid, they have real leather seats. At least Tesla has vegan leather. LOL.
You should watch a video on a test drive of one.
Of a Lucid?
Yeah, I mean they're sick. Like they make Teslas look like you know Hot Wheels. I mean like play school cars, except for the plaid. But like man, they're so nice, but they are expensive.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump off again. I will see you later.
All right, brother. I had fun today, and I don't know. Tomorrow's Wednesday, so I'm not sure what that's gonna bring. But I'll be on. I'm gonna try to come on Thursday morning. So
Go.
I gotta drop the
Shit.
kid off at school, and then I'll probably come home and stream. So
Yeah.
I will be on Thursday morning.
Well, let me know if you FOMO into something in the morning.
Oh, I will. I'll get a hold of you.
Pay attention to them, see what's up.
Yeah.
I mean, hell, you know what you're looking at, but it's definitely possible that Bed Bath & Beyond could explode again if you want to chase it.
Yeah. Well, I'm in that Revlon now, so I might see what it does, and then
Oh yeah, that's true.
and
Yeah,
I
I'm with you there.
and I'm in AMC, so I'm kind of
Oh, okay.
between
I
the.
feel like AFC's got. I mean, it's been building up nicely.
It's done pretty well since I bought it. Yeah, I'm very pleased. So between those two, it's got my hands pretty full. So
Yeah, no doubt.
I kind of want to wait and see what they do, but maybe they'll pop. I take profit and do something else. You never know.
Right. Or do like I did, sell for a loss and buy into something and quadruple yourself. That's
Right? Yeah.
what I did.
Yeah.
I was like, man, fuck this shit. This shit. Sold my shit and bought Bed Bath & Beyond.
Yes, sir.
That worked out.
Heck yeah.
Oh, but yeah, I'll text you if you're up.
Yeah.
Holler at me.
Well, go ahead and text me anytime. I always see you whenever I get up.
Do that.
Right on.
All right, man. I'll see y'all later.
Okay, see ya.
See you, Fred.
Yeah, man.
Alrighty, guys. What's going on, YouTube? Anything going on out there? Anything going out there out in the real world of YouTube? If you haven't yet, stop by and slap that like button if you don't mind. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And ring a ding that bell so you know every time I go on live. I've got 8 people watching and only 5 likes. Goodness. Something doesn't feel right. Must have a bunch of bots watching tonight. Oh shoot, I forgot to get off to Lucid. Hold on, I apologize guys, I'll get back on BTC. Oh look, it's at 24,000. Something new.
If you don't do leverage anymore, how are you doing? How are you shorting anything?
I'm not?
Oh, gotcha.
I am outski.
I mean, you could do futures and just not use leverage. I mean, just one times if
Yeah,
you want to.
I'm actually having more fun doing stocks.
Yeah, yeah,
And crypto, I mean, I'm not against crypto by any means. By all means. I just, it just has worked out that my last few plays have been stocks.
yeah.
Oh, trust me, I'm paying attention to this Doge. I've always got one eye on Doge.
The Bed Bath and Beyond are the options. Are they cheap?
Oh, they're expensive as fudge.
It, who's that? What's that?
There's my phone. Playing an ad. I can't remember. They were like $3.50, $4, something like that.
Are you in AM options?
Am I in what?
AMC options?
No, just spot.
Did you? I haven't heard yet whether Sarah Palin won her primary or not.
She was favored. No, I was way off. Bed Bath and Beyond, a $23 call is $9.40.
Oh my God!
That's through January, but still.
Still, it's Jiminy Christmas. And what's the stock trading at? Or yeah, the stock trading at.
22.47.
So that's $1 out of the money, or 50 cents out of the money. So you're paying for all time.
Mm.
Wow.
Not sure if I'd do options on BBBY. It's more a low float, short squeeze breakout play. Oh yeah, no, I wouldn't touch a option on BBBY. Trading
What?
from 15 to 30 or $50 intraday. Too expensive anyways for me.
Bed Bath and Beyond are expensive also.
That's what I was just talking about.
Oh, I thought you said. Okay, yeah.
BBBY.
Yeah.
BBBY.
What about like I thought you were talking about AMC. I think.
Oh, they're fucking expensive too.
Yeah.
I don't think they're quite that much, but they're expensive.
Yeah.
Oh, we got some people out there watching, but nobody's interacting much.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think there may be some people that have their TVs left on or something because I never have this many viewers with such few likes.
Right.
So that's a lot of TVs being left on and phones thrown to the side,
Right.
which I appreciate very much. But they forgot to hit the like button. Well, I'll just hit the like button myself, by golly.
Yeah.
Screw you guys, I'll hit my own like button. Wait, we just got 8 likes. Well, I just hit one. One of them's mine. I just hit it myself. I might be lagging. I'm only showing 7. I don't know. YouTube's funny about. It's very inconsistent with keeping its numbers accurate. It jumps around a lot.
Yeah.
Even in my analytics, like one day I'll check it and it'll be one number, and the next day I'll check it, it'll be a different number, and
Right.
it's 3 days delayed, and it's a mess.
Huh.
Yep. got 8 people watching, but I'm so tired. I think I may have to call it a night.
Yeah, I mean,
I did stream almost 4 hours this morning, so I technically didn't win my.
I didn't realize I closed out
You what?
this. Are you there? Yeah, I didn't mean to close out Discord. I meant to just minimize it on my
Oh,
phone.
oh.
You might not even. I was off for a second there.
Yeah, I was gonna say you're on there.
Yeah, but yeah, if you need to,
Yeah, I'm pretty tired, and I got the boy tomorrow, so
yeah,
gotta get up and get in from school. Good night, everyone. Catch you at open. I'm gonna try. I don't know. I might if I go to bed early enough here. I might be able to do it. It's 11:11. Make a wish.
yeah,
I will be on Thursday morning for sure, though, and Pepin. Remember that. Thursday morning by hopefully I'll be on by 8:30. Give or take a few minutes. Gotta drop my boy off at school about a little after 8, about 8. So I'll come straight home and probably hop online. So I'll probably should be on between 8:30, 8:45, possibly something like that. So, but yeah, yes sir. Fun day trading. Pepin, glad you joined us this morning. We had fun, good times. And to all you other people on YouTube, thank you very much. I much appreciate your viewership and your companionship and everything else involved. I don't know. I'm so tired. I can't even think. But we're currently trading a flat market in the crypto, so it's not and on top of me being very tired, and it's it's a very rough environment to stream in. So good luck to everybody in their trading. As always, make good decisions. And until next time, this is Crypto Leprechaun signing off, and I will be back on Thursday morning between 8:30. I'm just gonna say between 8:30 and 9 a.m. for opening bell. And don't miss it. Catch it. We have a lot of fun in the mornings. It is all business. Trust me. I know sometimes at night we get off subject and joke around, play around and stuff. But when we trade during the day, it's all business. And Pepin can even contest to that. I literally don't think we talked about anything this morning besides uh, stocks and options. So it was lots of fun, very informative. Squarefoot's very sharp when it comes to trading stocks and charting. So if you're still in the process of learning, which we all are to an extent, definitely tune in and catch that to try to better yourself and become a better trader. So with that said, much love, and like I said, make good decisions. And as always, I will sign off as I always do with don't forget there's no I in crypto. And if we all work together, we can go to the moon together. Peace. Till Thursday.